Depending on the speed of your internet connection will determine whether that download of the Microsoft Windows 10 virtual machine took a minute, took 5 minutes, 10, or 20 minutes or longer. Nevertheless, wherever you downloaded that file to, let's navigate there now, and we're going to open the location. So you recall that if we look at the download, that is a .zip extension. Now, by default, Windows 7 and above, and I believe Vista, all automatically can unzip zip files. So without unzipping it, if I just click on the folder, you can see the virtual machine here. It appears to be ready to go, but it's actually not. Windows is allowing us to see what file is zipped, but we have to unzip it for it to actually work. So let me go back to the folder. I'm going to right click. I'm going to hit Extract All. And I'm going to go ahead and just let it extract to the same folder. Whatever you do, just remember wherever you're extracting this to, you're going to need to find that location when we open the file. So I'm going to let it extract right here where we're at. And that should take just a little bit for the file to extract out of the zip format. Now, I'm going to take you back here to the website while that is extracting. If you ran into a situation where you did not have a program that could unzip the file, on Microsoft's website, if you recall, if I go back to the download, they give you some installation instructions on zip files. If you click on those instructions, a PDF document will open, and within the document, if you go to, well, it's showing here on page 2, it explains what program you can use to extract a zipped file. Now, you probably don't need this, but if you could not extract the zip file, Microsoft recommends you go to zip.org, and here you can see the Windows file. You can just click download, run the application, and then after you run it, you should be able to extract that file using that program. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of here. And as you can see, my zip has now been extracted. So now I have 2 folders with the same exact name here. You can see one has like a little zipper on it. That's the original. And now here is the extracted file. Well, since I need room on this computer and that's taking up 5 gigabytes, I don't need the zipped folder any longer. I'm going to delete it. And I'm also going to empty my recycle bin. So if you're running low on space, you want to make sure you get rid of this zipped file so that you can conserve some space. So now there's no zip here. If I open the folder, we can see this is my VirtualBox Windows 10 machine that I can now run on this computer. However, here's the thing. If I double click it, you'll see Windows has no idea what to do with this file. It's an OVA file, which stands for Open Virtual Alliance. That's the name of the file. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to Oracle's website, virtualbox.org, so that we can download the virtual player that will allow us to open Windows 10. And we'll do that in the next lesson.